Behind every device is a balance of design, precision engineering, and advanced technology. Since its introduction, the iPhone has become one of the most widely used smartphones on Earth, with billions sold worldwide. Every day, millions of people rely on a single device to communicate, create, work, and explore the world. Each year, new models reach customers across more than 100 countries, supported by one of the most complex manufacturing networks ever created. Let's go inside the modern factory and see exactly how iPhone smartphones are assembled, step by step.
Welcome to our factory. Today, I'll show you exactly how iPhone smartphones are assembled, step by step.
But how does a device this complex come to life? This level of precision machining is what ensures the durability and design accuracy of the final product.
Temperature stabilized after the adjustment.
Confirmed. Tolerances are holding steady at the 99th percentile.
Every iPhone is carefully assembled using a combination of advanced robotics and skilled human expertise. Every device is thoroughly tested to meet Apple's quality standards. Display accuracy is carefully calibrated for clarity and color precision. Cameras and sensors are tested to ensure flawless performance. Every interaction point is verified for responsiveness and durability. Devices are stress-tested to perform reliably in real-world conditions. A final human inspection ensures every detail meets exact standards. Once approved, each device is cleared for packaging and global distribution.